Okay, we pulled the bed off this truck so I could paint the frame and fix a brake line, and I had a bad rail, so I was going to fix that, which is right here, goes right there. We have to replace that whole rail. I've got the piece right here. I got to make two of these. They're about 25 inches long. I think I need a 50-inch piece. And I'm going to attempt to bend this up. I got a little small brake. I don't know if it'll bend this. They say it won't bend the 16th. I've bent it, but I don't know if it'll bend a piece 25 inches long. We're going to try it. We'll see what it does, and we'll be right back. Okay, it wouldn't bend it, so what you do is get your marks, and then you take this and you score it a little. Not much, a little. Enough to bring it down to what my brake will bend. And that way, when you do that, then you can go back, like when I get this bent up, I can go back and tack those stuff up, tack it in, give it strength back, which it don't lose much strength, but anyway, we get the strength back. Okay, let's go see if it'll bend. Okay, it acts like it's going to bend it. Of course, this is a Harbor Freight. I think 22 gauge is the thickest you're supposed to use, that it'll bend, but we always push our tools to the limit. So I'm going to, I scored it like I showed you. Now I'm going to use a piece of pipe on the handle to give me some more leverage. And I still don't want to bend it. Now score it some more. Still don't think it's straight. Go a little more. Okay, there you go. There may be a problem. Got too much junk. Okay. Let's try again. Okay. Now, I want to check it before I go any further. Looks right. Looked right, but it was off. Let's go some more. See what it does. One more thing. I have a rubber hammer, but when I need it, I can't find it. And then when I don't need it, there it is. So right now I need it and I can't find it. Okay. Now let's see what we got. It's actually too much, but we'll see here. How I'm checking this is with this. Just regular old Duke's Logic. I taped this up because I have bare metal primer on it. That's a little off. It's a little lot off. That's close. What? Yeah, that's about right. That's about right. So let's hit this. Wow. So you get one side fixed, the other side goes badonkers. Okay, let's try this. I'm gonna go ahead and bend this up. Let's see what we got. Good. Oops. We're going to go cut that some more. All right. Yeah. Let's go cut this some more. Okay, that bent that. We got that. Now we got to bend the other one. I don't know if that's going to work too good, but we'll try it. Oh yeah. Okay, that done that, but I believe it needs to go more. I don't know if my brake will do that thing. Yeah, you don't need much. We'll dryer. All right, that may have done it. Actually, no. Needs to go more. Now this side. Yeah. She still needs to go more. So let's try it again. Probably what's going on is it's bending this other one. Hey, we'll try it. Anything's worth a try. Cut back on work. Let's try it. We'll put a little exhaust on it. I think I can fix that. Now what we need now, I hope this works. Maybe not, maybe not. I don't know. That in. Get this in. You don't want to bend stuff this small. I mean, this small, you know. Hey, we're gonna try it. This is my dual exhaust. I need you. Okay, I said no problem. Maybe. Once we get it bent up there, maybe we can move that a little. Let's see. Okay. Way too much, but I think we can bend her back down. At least we got her bent. See how it went way too much. I'll just take a hammer and hit right here and that'll straighten that back up. Then we'll probably have to squeeze that over. All right, let me do some massaging on this and I'll be back. Okay, I got it bent up pretty good. I may have to straighten some of it up, you know, as I put it in. So that means it works. So now comes the other thing we gotta do, which I don't like. This is the end that was rusted out where the bed bolted in. So that means we got to drill a hole here. We got to stick a bolt through it. I'll have to clean that up, but we'll stick a nut on it, screw it all the way down, tighten it up, and weld this nut in. So let me clean this mess up, and I'll be back. Okay, we have finished this piece. We drilled holes to weld through. We got our stud in. Painted it a little bit inside. And I ain't done nothing to the outside. We'll get that whenever it's installed. But we'll find center there. Get that all tacked in, and then we'll start on the other piece. I probably won't bore you with that piece. I mean, it's going to be just like this one. So we'll drag the welder out, and that rust there, I will neutralize it some more and sand it, grind it, whatever. We'll try to get rid of all that, and then we'll go back and paint this whole section. Okay, let me drag the welder out. Okay, we kind of got that tacked on and stuff. So hold in place. And we'll go ahead and get all of our little holes tacked up before we start on this. I'm gonna go ahead and just get that in. This ain't a show truck, you know, it's just something we're trying to get together and for a grandson. He's going to end up getting a fleet side bed anyway. So you can have a bigger bed on the inside. But for right now, this will do. This will keep the rust out. Alrighty, let me get to welding on this thing. Okay, we got her welded up and threw a little bit of bare metal primer on her. We'll go back later and throw some bed liner in there or something. Maybe sure a little bit of more won't rust. Alrighty. We're gonna get started on making this other side. All right, we did get the bed rail fixed. I'll turn it around here and show it to you. And next, I went ahead and sealed up my welds and stuff and did a little bare metal primer on it. Now we're in the process of trying to get some more of this rust off. We went over it with a wire brush pretty good. Got some little bit of a rust neutralizer here I'm gonna put on it. After I do that, then we're probably gonna bed line it. That stuff there. All right, I don't know, I may not bring no more videos of this. I'm gonna need to get started back on my Camaro. I got all my parts in to put the frame back together. I still gotta paint the A-frames and put this back together and get it back over here in the corner. Then I get started back. I gotta pull, I think I've already got the firewall in the Camaro, and I gotta pull the floor back out, clean it up, sand it down, put bare metal primer on it and throw it back in. Hopefully we can get back on that thing here pretty soon. I'm gonna try to get this done tomorrow and get his bed back on. That way he can take it when he comes and shows me an insurance card and some tags. We'll let our little buddy take it. So yeah, hopefully we'll get this thing back. So I guess stay tuned there. Maybe we'll get back on our 73 Camaro and get all that stuff done. All right, thanks.